A plug adapter with an add-on voltage reducer device. A plug adapter is used to link the plug of an appliance to a power source. They are used as coupling devices for appliances having a plug prong that is not compatible with the installed electrical outlet. The commercially available plug adapter does not have a voltage reducer device to lower the power consumption of an appliance. The latest average monthly power consumption for households in the Philippines is around 200 kilowatt-hours. This consumption level results in an average monthly electricity bill of approximately 2,400 and 5.24 pesos, based on the current rate of 12.0262 per kilowatt-hour. In the Philippines, 46% of households use electric flat iron. An electric flat iron typically consumes about 1,000 to 1,500 watts of power. If the flat iron is used 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, the power consumption cost is approximately 120.262 pesos per month. Don't you know that using the plug adapter with a voltage reducer can lower the power consumption of electric flat iron? I have here the power outlet, portable watt meter, a 1,000 watts electric flat iron, and the adapter with an add-on voltage reducer device. I plugged in the portable watt meter into the power outlet. Then I plugged in the electric flat iron into the portable watt meter. Then I turned on the flat iron. The power consumed by the flat iron is more than 880 watts. The 880 watts actual power consumption of the 1,000 watts 230 volts rated electric flat iron can be attributed to the amount of voltage received by the flat iron. It means that the voltage received by the flat iron is less than 230 volts, resulting in lower power consumption. Now I plug in the adapter with an add-on voltage reducer device into the portable watt meter. Then I plug in the electric flat iron into the adapter. The turn on the flat iron. It is clear that the consumed power of the flat iron is approximately 450 watts. Therefore, the plug adapter with an add-on voltage reducer device can lower the power consumption of flat iron by 50%. The unit price of Jeep voltage reducer device is very much lower compared to the existing product sold online.